Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Tutor Ayodele. Today we are going to be looking at how to use AutoCAD software to draw an isometric block like this. For us to draw this, we need to set some certain criteria, like we need to set the unit we are going to be using. This unit here is in centimeters. Yes, it's in centimeters. So in centimeters. So like this our unit, so you enter your unit in this bar here. So you can see this. I've set my precision to 0.0 for this, then I set this to centimeters. All right, so I press OK. You set your limit again, limits. So you see it says specify lower left corner, and that's 0,0 already. That's this point is 0,0. All right, so you press enter for that. Then for this you set it in 12,127, depending on the stand on what you are drawing. So you set your upper right corner for. Okay, so I press enter for this. Now you need to on your ISO mode. You see, isometric drafting is on because we are drawing an isometric block, and you need to turn on this your angle cursor, so it will tell you the angle and the direction you are going to. Now let's begin with the drawing. We go to our command line we choose. So you see our measurements here. Going like this is 50, going like this is 12 plus 12 plus 12, which is 36, and going up is 40, as you can see. So that means this 12 will be okay. Let us begin the drawing. So I choose any point as my reference point. That's where I will start my drawing from. You see, it's showing me that I'm going in 150 degree, which is 30 degree going from the other axis. Okay, so let's enter. The distance there is 36. So that's the 36. All right, and going up this way, I'm going to 40. All right, so there, let me stop there. All right, so enter. Now from this, now we are going to go from here to this side, and it's given to us as 50. So let's do that. Also, we go to the command line, we click on this point, then we go 30 degree. That's the green line. You follow the green line, we go 50. So coming up this way, that's also 40. And let's get the square. So you can see the length there also will be 50, and coming like this we have 50 also. Sorry, we have 36 also. So we can enter that. Now let's just get this line going upward this way. So let me stop here. The line is 10. All right, and coming this way, you can see this is it here. Come this way from here to here. If here to here is 20, that means from this side to this side will be 30. That's 20 minus 50, or 50 minus 20 rather. So we go 30 this way. All right, we go up. See, so all right, we have gotten this part like this, and like this. All right, so what's the next thing we need to get? Let's get this part like this. Let's start from it. Let's get like this, like this, like this. You get? Okay, so I'm going to do something here. So let's just say we get this like this coming this way. That's 12 plus 12 plus 12, 36. And I close it up. All right. So I measure 12. I want to divide it into 12, 12. So 12, that's it, 12. Come like this again, 12. Come like this, that's it, 12. Okay. Enter. So there is one interesting thing I'm going to do now. See, I'm going to get this line here, you see, and here coming like this. All right. So let's get that. Go to your command line. You see the line here is this distance here, 10. So I'm going to get that distance from that point. I'm going 90 degree. So that's 10. All right. And perpendicular to it, I just get this line going straight, following the main line. So I enter. Alright, so what's the next thing I'm going to do? There's a small line here that is closing this up. So let me get that line. There's a line and to this point on 30 degree. So you can see that. Alright, so what's the next thing? You can see that this line from this 20 is connecting to this line here. So let's just get a random line connecting that points together. See, these are the points. So can enter it. Then I can cut the unnecessary. Can actually cut the unnecessary part away. So which part am I going to cut? Let's see. Let's choose the command for trim. Let's use trim. So we are going to trim this off. This, this line. All right. So from there, let's continue with the drawing since we have got rid of this one. So we come like this, coming down 10. All right. So what I'm going to do there is that okay, let me just stop here 10. Now let me come to this point. You can see this point also coming down 10. So this is the point here. No, yeah. So come 90 degree 10. And I close it up. You can see that. So I can extend this line. Let me extend this line. Yeah, see that? So I can now trim the unwanted part off. I don't need this. I don't need this. Okay, so now you can see, and this part also. Alright, so what's left? Remaining this line here and this line here. So let's quickly generate these two lines. From this part, just go 30 degree, we close it up to that point, and we come this way, this point, and so our drawing is complete. Now what's left is we need to give the dimension. You can see the dimensions like this, like this, like this. So to give the dimension, you need to go to, you turn on the annotate, this, and this. So you see add scale to annotative object, we've turned it on, it is on. So you now go to the annotate, you go to dimension. Okay, before that, let's just, you need to put your scale, like the scale you are drawing. Now this scale that I drew is 1:1, so I go to 1:1. So let's go to dimension. Right. So you see, I go to align, my scale is 1:1, so let's continue with it. I choose this end. Okay, I think on this end, that's first part, first part, and okay, I'm coming, let me zoom that. Okay, so sorry, let me erase this off. Okay, now and choose a scale. Let me just use 1:10. Let me use 1:10. Yeah, let me use that. So let's pick the dimension online from this point and come to this point. Then you see that it's 12. It's 12. So I pick the align again from this point to this point also. See, it's giving me as 12 2. Okay, come again this point, that's this point and this point. See, that's also 12. Okay, remain here and here, so that's 20. You can see I'm not the one putting the measurement, I'm already aligning it to the measurement. So any measurement I measure there, that's what is going to be displayed. Okay, I hope you get that. So from this point to this point, we are giving us 40. You can see 40. So which point, where again do we need to dimension? Okay, here and here, giving us as 10. You can see. All right. No, so I need to clean that. Okay, let me enter. All right, so I choose align again, go to that point, specify the point, this point and this point. So why is that happening? I'm coming. Let me quickly erase that. Okay, let me dimension this part, this point and this point. That's 50. You can see that. That's 50. And finally, dimension this point and this point. So no. Okay, let me put, sorry, and put a dimension here. Okay, dimension. No, that's too much. Okay, okay. Now, so for the dimension to align with these angles, for to these angles, we need to set something. We need to set something. So okay, so that's that one. Yeah, what I said we need to set, I said we need to set the angles to align with what we are measuring. We have this in 150 degree. Like if this was a straight line, this way going like this. So this would be like if we start our angle going like this, going this way, like this. So this would be in 150 degree to that. So we need to set this to 150 degree, set this to 30 degree, this to 90 degree, this dimension to 90 degree, and this one's to 30 degree. Okay, so you see that to do that, you are going to go to annotate, then you see dimension, you click on dimension, you choose the oblique option. So when you choose the oblique option, you come to this part, you select this one. I said this one is supposed to be in 150 degree, so it's the only one to be in 150 degree. So as I said this, you press enter, then you enter 150 degree. So you enter it. You see dimension is already aligned with this as this here. Okay, so you do the same dimension, choose the oblique option, then these ones are supposed to be in 30 degree, just select it, select all the ones that are supposed to be in 30 degree, and these ones, and this one. So this is supposed to be in 30 degree. So after selecting, you press enter. When you press enter, then you put the degree 30. So you can see that they are already in 30 degree with it. And now the last one is the one that is supposed to be in 90 degree, this and this. Okay, so choose, go to dimension, the oblique, and select those, select the dimension you want to align. So what you do, you align it to 90 degree, as I said. After pressing enter, 90 degree, then you enter, and here is the outcome of. So let's zoom all of it, so you can see that. Now this is the drawing. Now you can see here is 40, here is 40. Okay, and we have one other 10. You see, we need to dimension this. Okay, so let's quickly do that. We choose, pick the align, select the point, also select the point, and we go this way. So you can see. Okay, now I think we are done. Thank you for watching. Try to like, share, and comment. If you don't understand anything that you still need more explanation, please put it in the comment section, and please try to share it to your friends and your other colleagues so they can also learn from this. Thank you and have a nice day.